Okay, children, I'm going to teach you les adverbes de quantité. As you can see, these are the quantitative adverbs. So, children, what are quantitative adverbs in French? Okay, in French, children, the adverbs are always express the quantity followed by the without article definite. It means, children, whenever you are using these adverbs in French, you never use any definite article with the object. You always follow the with the adverb. The second point, children, these adverbs will be used with uncertain quantity. It means whenever you are having uncountable nouns, we can use these adverbs. Sometimes with the specific quantity, as you are saying, how many books, how many pens. So in that case also we can use some quantitative adverbs, but those are particular. But generally these adverbs will be used with uncertain quantity. Now children, in the next slide you can clearly see here we are having the list of the quantitative adverbs. As the first one is beaucoup de, means a lot, much, many. Next is trop de, it means too much, too many. Next we have un peu de, it means a little, few. Assez de, enough. Moins de, less, fewer. Plus de, more. Tant de, so much. Combien de, how much, how many. So children, as you can see here we are having the list of the adverbs, and all adverbs are followed by the. We are not using anything else, means any definite article with the. So as it is, you will use the adverbs with the object. Now in the next slide here I am giving you some examples. As here it is, il achète beaucoup de chocolat. It means he buys many chocolates. Il prend trop de sucre. It means he takes enough sugar or too much sugar. Je veux un peu de sucre. It means I want little sugar. Elle a assez de crayons. It means she has enough pencils. Elle boit moins de coca que ma sœur. What does it mean? She drinks less coca than my sister. Next sentence is il a plus de livres que mon frère. It means he has more books than my brother. Next, il mange tant de biscuits. It means he eats many biscuits. Next, combien de disques veux-tu? It means how many CDs do you want? So children, here we have used all the quantitative adverbs with the different objects. So you can see with all adverbs we are using the, and we are not doing the contraction. It means we are. So as I am saying, je mange beaucoup de chocolat. I eat many chocolates. Il prend trop de viande. It means he takes too much meat. Elle boit peu de lait. She drinks little milk. Tu as assez d'argent. It means you have enough money. In the next sentence, we have vous avez combien de livres? How many books do you have? So this is how we use quantitative adverbs in the sentences, which shows the uncertain quantity. Now children, I am reading here all the sentences and I am telling you the meanings also. The first sentence says blank cahier achetez-vous. Cahier means notebooks, acheter means to buy, vous is you. So notebooks do you buy? So here in the blank you have to write the quantitative adverb. Now second is il y a blank élève dans la classe. There are students in the class. Third sentence, Jérôme aime le gâteau. Jérôme likes the cake. Il mange blank gâteau que Michel. Means he eats blank cakes than Michel. Fourth sentence. Nous ne voulons pas de jambon. We don't want ham. Il y a blank jambon dans le frigo. There are blank ham in the fridge. In the fifth sentence, children, it is Claudine n'aime pas de légumes. Elle pas blank légumes. It means Claudine doesn't like vegetables. She takes vegetables. So in the blank, you have to write the correct quantitative adverb. Il achète blank de livres que son copain. He buys blank books than his friend. In seventh sentence, children, aujourd'hui j'ai blank de travail. Today I have blank work. In the eighth sentence, j'ai blank devoir à faire. Je suis fatigué. I have projects to do. I am tired. So children, here I am giving you the answers of this exercise. The first sentence states, Combien de cahiers achetez-vous? How many notebooks do you buy? Il y a beaucoup d'élèves dans la classe. There are many students in the class. Third, Jérôme aime le gâteau. Il mange plus de gâteau que Michel. Jérôme likes the cake. He eats more cake than Michel. Next, nous ne voulons pas de jambon. Il y a assez de jambon dans le frigo. It means we don't want ham. There is enough of ham in the fridge. Claudine n'aime pas de légumes. Elle prend peu de légumes. Claudine doesn't like vegetables. She takes less vegetables. Il achète moins ou plus de livres que son copain. He buys less or more books than his friends. Aujourd'hui, j'ai assez ou trop de travail. Today, I have enough of work. 8. J'ai trop de devoirs à faire. Je suis fatigué. It means I have enough objects to do. I am tired. So, children, this is how we use the quantitative adverbs. Now, I'll give you more exercises. So children, that's all for today, and I'll give you the worksheet to solve the more sentences for quantitative adverbs. Thank you.